Hi, today I'm making a strawberry spinach salad. This is a very fast and easy salad to make. You're going to start with 2 cups of very clean spinach leaves, raw. You want to make sure that you've washed these leaves well. Sometimes they'll be muddy. So you want to make sure you wash them well. Next, I have a 1/4 cup of pecans. You can use walnuts if you like. I am also using a 1/2 cup of strawberries, and I've sliced those strawberries. And then I'm adding blue cheese crumbles instead of feta. I think it's a little sharper and makes the salad tasty. I'm going to use poppy seed dressing to dress my salad. You don't have to use anything actually, but if you like salad dressing, that works well. Next, I'm going to layer my spinach leaves in my salad bowl, as well as add the strawberries. And then I will add the pecans, the red onion, and then I'm going to also top it with the crumble of the blue cheese, which makes the salad really flavorful. You can dress the salad, or as I said earlier, you can eat it by itself. But that is a strawberry spinach salad. This feeds 2, and it takes about 10 minutes to prepare.